basically I was asleep in my hammock, half asleep, you know, as you do, listening to the owls and stuff, and it was about 2 in the morning. Something come crashing through the trees, and it wasn't a deer, because deer go prr, 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 as they run, you know what I mean? They've got 4 legs, they trot, and they're not too heavy, you know, they're not big. This sounded like a rugby player come barging through the trees. I mean, like smash, like really just, it almost seemed aggressive, you know, very, very powerful. I didn't also hear it, I felt it, you know, I felt the, I don't know, it was like a fear almost. And I don't scare easily, especially in the woods. I've been up there most of my life. And coming through the trees, and it sort of stopped a little bit further away, and then just carried on going. Now I dismissed it as a deer and just sort of went back to sleep.